Good morning, everyone. Now we will discuss the topic of the discussion of the Bengal tiger. The tiger is the largest of all big cat species, which is a stripy orange coat and long. Then strip tail and tiger are very reasonable, and adult Bengal tiger can up to 3 meters long, and tail include the weigh more than 250 kilograms. Then adult tigers have white spot on the fur and back on each ear, so their young can easily follow them in a low light. Now, two tigers have the same strips. Number of strips and thickness strips can vary, so that individual tiger can be identified by marking on their body and face or tail. Then, although the tiger is only one species, that the tiger will be divided into subspecies. There are six remaining subspecies of tigers are Bengal, Sumatran, Amur, and Malvan tiger. All tigers, including Bengal tiger, are carnivorous. The Bengal tiger catches prey using the stalk and ambush method, quietly taking the tracking prey and then attacking it, usually from the behind, rather than chasing it down. The exceptions is a mother with cubs. Tiger can become man eaters, a method by which is used fast prevent in a Bengal tiger attacks on humans, uh, and the people risk wear the mask on the back of the head by doing looks as human, watching from the behind. Their habitat is the Bengal tiger highly adaptable animals and lives in wide range of different habitat. These includes forest, mangroves, and wetlands. Tigers can cope the hot and cold environment or and the areas. Threats and conservation. Bengal tigers face extreme threats in the wild, and conservation efforts focus on stopping poaching as well as protecting areas of wildlife and corridors with the tigers use. A census of tiger, then India published in 2014, suggesting that the tiger numbers are now increasing is encouraging. However, most sources agree that the all subspecies of the tigers live in just 7% of their original historical range. Then there is a fewer 2000 Bengal tigers left in the wild, and hunting the humans population growth are in the main threats of the Bengal tigers. Then, as human population is grow, more people having more places to live, and they reduces the amount of wildlife habitat of the tiger. People also need more food to eat, and may they hunt, and some animals for the food, and tigers rely on their survival. Bengal tigers are hunted for the trophies or for the body parts or the skin. Then they are hunted for the prey of domestic livestock, and they are because of they are declared. Then they are included uh, to the domain of Eukaryota and kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivorous, and suborder is Familia. Then the Bengal tiger is a population of Panthera tigris subspecies and the nominate tiger subspecies. It ranks among the biggest wildlife cat alive today. Then it considered as belong to the Christmatic megafauna. Then they includes to the domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, then phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, and their suborder is Familia. And Bengal tigers need more space to live, and they are hunted for the skin, and for the for preparation of various showpieces. Thank you.